Standing in front of you as I always wished, bigger than ever, eyes filled with revenge. You can do anything, cause I am the king. Don't try to run away, it will be a waste.
Everything's happening, it's the project of grid. You begged me to sign, wasn't I enough for you? I left Dialtone, so why can't you understand? I don't need celebrity, turns the light off.
Seeing your screen face only makes me sick. Took me so much time to see who you were. Try to forget you, what else could I do? You should be ashamed of your whole day trade. So let me take care to erase you. I forgot how much I loved you, 'cause I am finally free. Free from those strings that held me for so many years. I'm free, ready to leave this world, to become the big shot I was born to be. I'm free.
Don't cry, everything's okay. I'm ready to touch the sky. I'm more than an artisan, while you stay the same. Screaming, watch anything. You're here stuck at mercy. Choices, don't just prophecy. What a cruel world.
Lord of Clinic, play by play. To be fair, you deserve it. I left to save you. I was only a curse to you, and you never realized. Try to deal with my pain, and you don't respect anything. What am I feeling for you? No, I must stay strong. You're nothing to me. I don't need family or any TV. I'm using my pain to do what feels right. I am now insane. You're the one insane.
You got what you did to me. Let the guilt fill you. I am not perfect. I love that fear in your face. Why do I still hear your voice? Still craving for your love. Can't stop thinking about you.
I don't know what I feel. I just want to be free. That day I heard the phone. I should not have picked it up. I know you hate me. You have every right to. Just know that I'm